Taking this walk this morning. This is going back home. Feels good. I haven't been outside all week. I've been working all week. I'm getting my steps in at work. I didn't have to come outside. But now that I'm off, I had to come outside and get my steps in. Gotta meet my goal of 4,000 steps. But anyway, what I kind of wanted to talk about is starting, I actually put it together already, starting a YouTube page to talk about any topic, talk about anything, not anything, but just about anything normal people would talk about, so that we can share information with each other. I don't have all the answers. I have questions myself about things, and I expect you guys to help me with that. What are you trying to do? Chop down these trees? Oh, I'm sorry. So, I'll be giving you further information at a later date. I'm actually going to upload this video to my new YouTube page. I'm practicing on my graphics and all that stuff as well. Practicing on my speaking. You probably won't see my face, probably see the outside, the public, because it's not all about me. I actually named my channel Junk and Things. That's Things with an A, not an I. I'll keep you guys posted with other stuff. Get a little email address for it and everything, so you can email me there. Leave messages, comments, suggestions. I'm going to be making announcements on my channel as well, where you can, like, you got a party going on or something. Not no every day, this Friday at so-and-so. I mean, real gatherings about the homeless, or giving out hats and gloves, food giveaways for people, turkeys and toy drives and all that type of stuff. But I'll keep you guys posted. Let me finish my walk here. I'm out. Have a good day.